You want to get quick consumer feedback, fine tune, optimize, get consumer feedback again. And it's really hard to do that, through regular consumer research at the speed that we want to. Decision making is becoming more agile, and people are taking a design thinking approach to decisions. Companies are taking a more design thinking approach to decisions, which requires an agile, iterative approach to new product development. You want to get quick consumer feedback, fine tune, optimize, get consumer feedback again. And it's really hard to do that, through regular consumer research at the speed that we want to. And so what we can do is build AI models that simulate consumer testing. And that really is going to be this future of iterative feedback. Here are two examples that we've piloted and we use. One is packaging testing. So we've created synthetic packaging testing, where you can use an AI packaging testing model to get consumer feedback on packaging. And the model can tell you, is it seen to be unique? Is it seen to be relevant? Is it seen to be modern? Is it seen to be contemporary, etc.? And it can do it in like 1 minute. And so you get feedback really quickly, so you can optimize at the speed of light. And this model is based on years and years of consumer testing data that large companies have built. And you keep feeding new consumer testing data to refresh the model. But this way we can use this model for doing this quick, iterative, early feedback to drive design thinking mindset. Second, you can do the same thing for concept testing. You build synthetic concept testing. So instead of doing a full-fledged survey every time, you can create an AI model based on past consumer testing studies, and you can leverage that model to get really quick feedback and build, again, an iterative design thinking approach to concept development that allows you to get consumer feedback through AI really quickly and many times. And here are a couple of other examples. And I'll stick to only the example on the left-hand side, where AI models can simulate user feedback through building personas. I'll give you an example here. You can build, say, a male skincare persona, that's been trained on all the rich insights that you've developed on male skincare. And so you can chat with this chatbot, AI chatbot. You can call him John or whatever you want to call him. And you can ask him, do you like this? What would you like? Should we add this to it? What else do you like? What do you think about this idea? So you're talking to the chatbot just like you're talking to a male skincare consumer. And you can even build a granular chatbot. Oh, it's a male Gen Z consumer or a male boomer consumer. So you can build as many profiles that you want, but it's been trained through consumer insights. It's been trained through social listening. And so you're really leveraging the rich insights that you have to build these bots, but then they become so easy for people to engage with on a regular basis and really help you scale the impact of your insights that you build.